All right, we're going to go ahead and work on the other two blocks. We built the 2x2. We learned with 3 steps. Sketch, pick your sketch plane. We're going to draw some geometry, dimension, and then we're going to go ahead and extrude and add depth. So we learned that on the 2x2 block and the 2x4 block. Now let's not start off at square one there. Let's use what we've already done. So you can see the part studios I already have at the bottom of the screen, the 2x2 block, the 1x2, the 2x4, the 2x3 thin, and then the assembly. The 2x2 block and the 2x4 block is all you would have normally seen at this point. So let's go ahead and duplicate this. On the 2x2 block at the bottom, I right click and I can duplicate. When I duplicate that, it says 2x2 block copy 1. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to name it 1x2 block. Now, I'm going to go ahead and call it VID because I'm making a video with it right now. I want to differentiate from my other one, but you'll just say 1x2 block, okay? Now, when I click on the 1x2 block, it looks just like my 2x2 block, and I can go ahead and modify this. I can go ahead and change this, and that's what I want you to do right now. We know that this is 15.8 by 15.8, the length and width, and then the extrusion was a 9.6 extrusion. How do I confirm that? I just have to go up to where all of my things that I created on the left-hand side, wherever I put my mouse, you can see if I go to sketch 2, that's that circle in the middle for the bottom. You can see it appear right now. It turned yellow. So if I go to sketch 1, double-click sketch 1, it opens up the dimensions I made when I built this 2x2 block. Now I can modify it, and the whole block will modify as we change things. The whole thing will continue. That means we're going to have to change some things. We're going to have to delete some things. That's okay. But we can save time rather than rebuilding the whole thing from scratch. So I have 2x2 block. Now we're going to make the 1x2 block. So the 1x2 is half of the 15.8. So what's half of 15.8? Well, half of 15, 7.5. And then you're going to take half of 0.8, which is 0.4. So 7.5 plus 0.4 is 7.9. Now, when I do this, when I hit that green check mark, it'll look different. Don't panic. Don't worry, it's supposed to. Boom. Okay? Now we just have to delete all of this stuff. And we can't just delete it from here. We have to go into the sketch where we drew it. So I'm going to start with sketch 2. And I open it up, and here is my circles. I'm going to click on that circle, delete, click on this circle, delete, check mark. All right, and now I have sketch 3. Was that support that we made? Let me zoom in. Here's the support. I click on that, delete, click on this. Yep, that's the line when it turns yellow. And then I can hit delete. This one I can delete. Let's see, this one here I can delete. And I hit the check mark. Okay, the support's gone. Great. All I need to do now is get rid of these two. So where did I draw them? All right, sketch 4, they turn yellow. So that's where I need to open it up. And then I can click on that circle one time, delete. Click on this circle one time, delete. Great. This turned blue now, so I probably need to add a dimension of 3.9 to assure it's good. Okay, it is good. It didn't change. It just wasn't fully dimensioned. This should turn black now. I like when it's black. That means it's locked in. I hit the check mark. Good. And then I just need to go ahead and get the M off of there. That's it. Sketch 5. Click on this one. Delete. Check mark. Boom. This is done. The 1x2 block doesn't have anything underneath if you know your Legos. And that looks great. We're good. Very cool. 1x2 block's done. It's that easy.